an unboxing for you. I'm really excited about this box. This is like my new obsession, I guess we'll say. This is the Magic at Your Door box. I think this is the third box that I have received, and it came yesterday, and I've been dying to open it. Now, this is the bronze box, and it already auto-renewed for August. This is my July box for August. And I'm kind of bummed because I keep wanting to like bump it up and go to the next level up, but I don't do it right away. So I need to go online and do it right now because I have been so impressed with this box that I definitely want to get a better box, but let's see what's inside. Okay. The first thing, there we go, as always, is kind of like the info sheet, and if you're not familiar, a lot of the items at Disney are like color coded, and so they don't have a price. The price is like, it'll say like blue, green, red, and then at the top of wherever it is, like at the stand, it'll say what that color code is. So I like that they put that on here. Just a little bit of other information about Magic at Your Door. And then this is what I see. It is red, white, and blue for the 4th of July. Lots of packing. Okay, so the first thing I see, I think, is a piece of jewelry. Oh gosh, you should see I have this stuff everywhere. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is so cute. I know what this is. I believe this was on my wish list. So this is a necklace. It is rose gold. And it is a little Mickey ear, and then the little bar on top says vacation mode. I think it's one chain. Let's see if I can take it apart. I was really curious about this, and it does look like it is like one clasp with two necklaces, and I'm gonna put it on just because. I love this. I will definitely be wearing it a lot, not just on vacation. I love the double layered look of the necklace, where it looks like you're wearing two necklaces, but you're really only wearing one. I'm super happy with this. Okay, so next, let's see what this is. Oh, it's an ornament. And I believe it is Snow White. Let's see. It is Snow White. Look at that. Her dress is a little bit matted, but I think we can fix that. So this is from, it says Sketchbook Ornament Collection, and Snow White is one of my favorites. She's my favorite princess. So it's Snow White, and she's like enamel, and then she has this little present that she's holding, and she has a skirt, and then she has little, oh look, she has like little pantaloons on. That's so cute. And then she has a little red cape. Oh, she's precious. Now, normally I do collect like the hand-blown glass ornaments. I think that this year we're gonna have to have like a Disney specific tree because we have so many Disney ornaments, and this is so cute. I love that. So next, oh, this is a hot mess. Let's see. It has like stuff all over it. Next is a headband, and here it is. I'm kind of obsessed with these headbands lately. This is Haunted Mansion. I've actually never seen this before. Is this from the parks? It looks like it. I haven't seen this, but it's kind of like a twisty, to kind of see that. So it's like two pieces of fabric like put together. Oh, that's super cute. Nice elastic band. I wear these a lot at home, like when I just want to, like I'll put my hair in a bun or in a clip, and I just want to keep my hair like back, especially in the summer. So this will definitely get a lot of use. I don't know if I would necessarily wear this in the parks because I do like to wear ears in the parks, but potentially I could wear it. The other way that I wear these is like when I have to put my hair up, like if I'm not washing my hair, I don't necessarily like use like a shower cap. I will just kind of put one of these in. So this will get a lot of use. Super, super cute. Okay, next in the box, since I've already just made a mess, we'll just go with it. Oh, another item. It's a mess. Let's see. Another item that was on my wish list. This is the Snow White Disney Loungefly wallet. I'm getting so many wallets, but this is so cute. So it has like the white, and then it has the red bow, and when you open it up it has a little button, and then here's like a little card slot, maybe for my ID. And then let me take this stuff out. And then here's a little pocket, maybe for change. I would probably throw bills or receipts in there. And then when you flip it over, Here are card slots. I don't carry a ton of cards, so this is probably a good amount. And then here is a billfold. And let's see if we can see inside. The inside of it, I don't know if you can even see that. It is a print. It's blue and white with the 7 dwarfs. This is adorable. With Magic at Your Door, not only can you like make your preferences, select different things, tell them what you want, but you can also go into like your wish list and they have tons of items. That's where this was, that's where this was. And you can put the items that you want, and if they have them available and fit within your box range, they will send them to you. So I love that I get to, I don't want to say select items, but I do get to put items that I want, and in this box I happen to get 2. I'm so thrilled with these items. So let's see if there's anything else in the box. I'm guessing that's probably it, but let's see. Yep, that's it. I should show you the mess that I have going on here. I have these little things everywhere, but that's fine. So this box cost me $74.99 including shipping. So let's take a look at the items that I got and see where they kind of fit in the value. The first item, this is a mess, is the necklace, and this is sold in the parks. It does say Disney Parks on the tag, and this is something that is currently in the parks or has been in the parks very recently if it's not in there today. The retail on that is $19.99. The next item is this ornament, and the price tag on there, which this is not like a parks item, but that's fine, is $16.95. So we're at $36.94. The next item is this headband, and it is $13.99. This is a Disney Parks item. Well, I have not seen it in the parks. It might be new or it might be really old, but still a parks item. So we are at $50.93. And then the final item is the Loungefly wallet, and it is $38. So the total value of the box is $88.93. I paid $74.99, so I definitely got my value out of it. So what do I think of the box? I am thrilled with this box. Like I said, this is my 3rd Magic at Your Door box. I've been really happy with everything that I've received. I feel like the value is there. I feel like the quality is there. The necklace, the wallet, and the headband are items that I would purchase. The ornament, I don't know if I would purchase it, but I do love it because I love Snow White and I am trying to grow my Disney ornament collection. So I'm thrilled with the box. I definitely feel like I got my value out of it, and I feel like they are listening. They're listening to my preferences. Everything that I've put on here was either on my preference or on my wish list, so you're definitely listening. And I'm really thrilled with the box. I'm really excited when this box comes every month. Tell me in the comments below which of the items that I received is your favorite. This is a hard one. If I had to pick my favorite, I'm gonna say the necklace. The necklace is just really me and something that I can wear like every single day. Not that I wouldn't use the wallet every day, but I have a couple of other wallets. I have a Donald Duck wallet that I just got a couple months ago that I've been using. So, but this is so cute. I love it. I love the size of it too. See how small it is? It'll be perfect for my backpack and in the parks. So tell me in the comments below which of the items that I received was your favorite. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!